Imagine a triumph effect where the spectator merely thinks of a playing card, and then at the end is the only card that is face up. That is Montier's Visualise, a turbocharged triumph where you use no sleight of hand and no forces. Let's check it out.
Perfect. Okay, I think I got a flash of it. Were you thinking of the Jack of Clubs? Was that what you had? The weirdest thing is, you visualised it so strongly. You remember we shuffled these before. I think it's all sort of exactly as you visualised it.